Hey everybody, this is a 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel, and I got a cylinder 8 misfire a few weeks ago, which was the check engine light coming on, and I wasn't sure. I did some research of like what it could be and saw that a lot of people said that the lifters could be going bad, the lobes on the camshaft could be wearing down, so I was like, oh god, it's going to be like a $6,000 repair job. But then I opened up the air filter box, and when I did, I found about 100 acorns in it. So I cleared the codes, I cleaned out all the acorns from the filter, and the filter was completely clogged with the acorns because it hasn't been sitting for a while, but I do park it out here and I only drive it during the weekdays. So if you do get a misfire, you might want to check the air filter box, especially if you park the vehicle outside. Because if that air filter gets blocked, then the engine is just not going to breathe right.